My dear student, in our previous video, we discussed about the duality of truth values and equivalence laws, equivalence relations. These two cases we have discussed in the previous video, and in this video I am going to discuss associative laws and distributive laws, identity laws, De Morgan laws, and so on. First, associative laws. P and Q are any two statements, then P, Q and R are any three statements. We have distributive law and associative law, we have to use three statements. P, Q and R are any three statements, then P disjunction Q disjunction R is equal to or identically equal to whatever it may be, equal to P disjunction Q disjunction R. This is associative law. We have to associate P, Q and R like that. And one more law, P using conjunction, P conjunction Q conjunction R is equal to P conjunction Q conjunction R. These two are called associative laws. P, Q and R are any three events. Using disjunction and using conjunction, we have two rules, two laws I mean. See, in your book, first law is derived as an example. Now I am going to derive the second law using conjunction. That is P. Second law, I am going to derive P. You know, since P, Q and R are any three events, this truth table containing three statements, therefore we have 8 rows, 2 power 3, 8 rows we have. For that, P having T, 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 4 T's and 4 F's. This is first P row, P column, and Q, T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. So, 2 T and 2 F are alternatively expressed in the column Q. And rth column is just T and Q, T and F are alternatively expressed. This is R is T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. See, since this truth table consisting of three statements, P, Q and R, we have 2 power 3, 8 rows here. Therefore, first P column consisting 4 T, 4 F, and Q column consisting 2 T and F, 2 2s are alternatively 2 T and alternatively 2 F, and rth column is alternatively T and F. Next we want, I am going to derive the second P disjunction Q. P disjunction. Disjunction means if both P and Q have the same truth value T, then only the truth value is T. Otherwise it is F. Disjunction rule. Both are T, the value is T. Both are T, value is T. T and F, 1 T, 1 F, you get F. 1 T, 1 F, the truth value is F. F and a T, F. F and a T, F. Both are F is also F. And both are F is also F. Because conjunction indicates that if both the statements having truth values T, the net truth value is T. Otherwise F. That's all. Next, left hand side, P disjunction Q, the P conjunction Q Conjunction R. Now P conjunction Q is here. That is the fourth column. Conjunction with the rth column. You have to take these two for conjunction. P conjunction Q conjunction R. Here also both are T. The truth value is T. One T you get, the truth value is F. One T, one F is F. Both are F is also F because it is conjunction. T and F is F. Both are F. F. And is also F. So, conjunction of P conjunction Q conjunction R, both are T, the truth value is T, the rest of the things are F. One T and one F is that, the truth value is F. Next, Q is then conjunction R here. Next column, Q conjunction R. These two, Q conjunction R. The second and third column, if both are T, the truth value is T. One T, one F is F. One T, one F, F. Both are F, F. Both are T, T. One F, one T, F. One F, one T, F. F, both are F, F. So this is Q conjunction R, Q conjunction R, both are T, T. Both are T, T. Rest of the values are F. Next, the final column, P conjunction Q conjunction R. Here you consider the first column P column and the last Q conjunction R column. This column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth column. Q conjunction R and the conjunction P. You have to take first and sixth column. Both are T. The root value is T. TF, F, TF, F. Both TF, F. FT is also F. Both are F, F. Both are F, F. Both are F, F. See, P and Q conjunction are both are T, T. F, 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 everything is. Now you consider the left hand side, this is P conjunction Q conjunction R is T, F, 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 F. Similarly, right hand side, P conjunction Q conjunction R is T, F, 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 F. So this is your left hand side and this is our right hand side. These two columns, that is fifth column and the seventh column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth column and the seventh column are equal. P conjunction Q conjunction R is equal to P conjunction Q conjunction R. This is associative law. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our required result is true. Therefore, our result is proved. See, in this table, the fifth column is left hand side. The seventh column is right hand side. See, both are equal. Therefore, the conclusion is P disjunction Q disjunction R is equal to P disjunction Q disjunction R. Therefore, the result is proved. That's all about the associative law. The second associative law is this. The first associative law, instead of conjunction, disjunction is there and it is derived in your book. You verify it. Next, we will go to distributive laws. Next, distributive laws. Distributive laws also, we are using the three statements P, Q and R. these three statements using P, Q and R, we have to derive the distributive law, and hence we have 8 rows also again. First law, distributive law, P disjunction, P disjunction Q conjunction R is equal to distributive P disjunction Q conjunction R is equal to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. P disjunction R. P disjunction Q conjunction R is equal to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. Next one, similarly, P conjunction Q disjunction R is identically equal to equivalence to P conjunction Q disjunction R is equal to P conjunction Q disjunction P disjunction Q conjunction P and P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. The disjunction conjunction are interchanged. In the first distributive law, P disjunction Q conjunction R is equal to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. Similarly, the second rule, P conjunction Q disjunction R is equal to P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. Here also the first rule is derived in your book. I am going to derive the second rule. Second distributive law. For that also we have 3 columns. First column P consisting of these values only, 4 T's and 4 F's. Q is 2 T and 2 F's, and R is T and F alternatively. We want P conjunction Q, we want right hand side. Here is P conjunction Q. Similarly, P conjunction R we want, that is, we don't have. P, Q conjunction, yes, P conjunction Q is that, you will take it, and P conjunction R I am going to write now. For the right hand side, I want P conjunction Q here. Now P conjunction R. P conjunction R. Conjunction means both are T. The value is T. 1 T, 1 F is F. Both are T. The value is T. Truth value is T. For conjunction. T and F is F. F and T, F. F, both are F, F. F and T, F. Both are F is also F for conjunction. So right hand side, P conjunction Q and P conjunction R we have. And Q conjunction, for left hand side we want P conjunction Q conjunction R. Q disjunction, sorry. Q disjunction R we want. Q disjunction R. Disjunction means both are F, the truth value is F, rest of the values are T. For disjunction, Q, both are T, the value is T. Anyone T because this is disjunction. Anyone, both are F is F. Both are F is F. 1 T, the truth value is T for disjunction. 1 T is T. Both are F, F. Both are F. The truth value is F. So for disjunction, if any one is T and both are T, the truth value is T. Both are F, the truth value is F. That is for this disjunction. Now, for left hand side, we want, what is that? left hand side I want P conjunction Q disjunction R. That is Q disjunction R is here and P is in the first column. Using the first column and the column containing Q disjunction R, we have to take conjunction for these two columns. P and Q disjunction R, we have to take conjunction. Conjunction means both are T. This is left hand side. Both are T, the truth value is T. Both are T, truth value T, because this is conjunction. 1T, 1F is F. 1T, 1F, F. 1F, 1T, F. 1F, 1T, F. Both are F is also F, because it is conjunction. Both are F is F. Left hand side. Right hand side we want, what is that right hand side? P disjunction, conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. This is our right hand side. P conjunction Q here, the fourth column, P conjunction Q, and P conjunction R, the fifth column. We have to take disjunction for these two columns. For P conjunction Q and P conjunction R, we have to take disjunction for these two. Disjunction means both are T, T. 1T for disjunction, it is T. Both are F, F. Both are T, T. See, both are T, T. 1T, 1F is also T because it is disjunction. 1T, 1F is P disjunction Q, P disjunction, conjunction Q, conjunction for disjunction we have both are T, T. 1T, it is T. 1T, it is T. What? Here, left hand side P, Q disjunction for this only we have to take conjunction for these two. Both are T, T. Both are T, T. T and F is F. Yes. F. Disjunction F. F. Okay. Now this is P conjunction Q and P conjunction R. There is no conjunction. No conjunction R. P conjunction Q and P conjunction R. P conjunction Q is T. T. Both are T. T. F. 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 Q conjunction R. P conjunction R. That is, this is both are T. F. Both are T. F. 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 Okay. Now right hand side, P conjunction Q and disjunction P conjunction R. Disjunction we are taking 1T is T, both are T, T. 1T for disjunction it is T. 1T it is T. Both are F, F. 1T it is T. 1T it is T. Both are F. F. P conjunction Q, P conjunction R, both are T, T. Yeah, 1T, T, 1T, T, F, 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 sorry, F. See here, on left hand side and right hand side, here only is F we have. We want F here also. What is P? We will verify once again. Q disjunction R. Q disjunction R. Disjunction T. Disjunction. Both are T, it is T. One T T. One T T. Q disjunction R. Disjunction means one T, it is also T. You understand? F, T, one T, one. Disjunction. Q and R disjunction is one T. It is T. Okay. Now verify this. Q disjunction R is Q disjunction R, both are T, 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 F, T, T, here also T, F, okay. Now, P disjunction, conjunction Q disjunction R. Now this is true. For this we have to take conjunction. P conjunction Q disjunction R. Both are T, T, both are T, T, both are T, T. It is also T for this T and conjunction F. F, one T, one F, one T, one F. Oh. C, now T, 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 F, F, T, 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 F, F. See that left hand side equal right hand side? Left hand side, 3 T's and rest of the things are false, F. So LHS equal to RHS. So here is one mistake we did it. Therefore, now we will get the result. Both LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, our second result, therefore, the distributive law, second distributive law, P conjunction Q disjunction R is equal to P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction R. Is proved. This is proved. Therefore, the first result is derived in your book. So that's all about the second distributive law. So I derived associative and distributive laws here. Next identity laws we will see in the next video. Thank you.